Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom Zoom background using Canva. So if you use Zoom a lot for your meeting and you want to change the background of your meeting, you can use a virtual background and you can create one easily using Canva here. So you can just open up canva.com. Then here on the homepage, you can tap on more to see all of the templates provided by Canva. And you can just scroll down and under the office and business in here, you'll easily spot the Zoom virtual background option. So just tap on that and a new blank this canvas will be open with the size of the Zoom virtual background. Here you can just easily find the background that you want using templates on Canva. In here you can just explore through this background and choose the one that you want. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this ones right here. Okay, if you are presenting your company here, you can also add your company logo. For example, I'm going to change the name in here, and you can also change the phone number, the website, and everything in here. Now you can just click on share. Don't forget to tap on download and then download the virtual background. So after that, you can use this background when you are in the Zoom meeting. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.